family.
A rainy day. Baby Momo is caught in the rain and can't go home. Bim Bim has found her.
Oh no!
Are you okay?
Now let's go home together.
Okay.
Bim Bim will give Momo a hot bath first.
Ooh!
Yeah. Okay.
So many soap bubbles. Momo is very excited.
Oh no.
It seems that Momo is hungry.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't worry, Bim Bim will make her some milk. What a good boy.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Nice!
Ooh, yummy. Thank you.
Next, Bim Bim will read a story to Momo. She's already fast asleep. What a busy day for Bim Bim.